Next time we'll go to bus school. I don't like bad students. What are the names of the bad students?
Abdul Roman, Anusha, Sarah, Omar, Tamar, David, James, Abida, Radha, and Zain.
I'm going to visit a friend with you tomorrow. I'll be back home in 20 days.
Okay, tomorrow I'm going to visit my friends and become their partner. Boys, girls, robot, astronaut, alien, and ninja.
Goodbye.
Get off!
Why is it in the ocean pool?
Because I saw Cadel yawning, and where is my husband Red Song?
It's okay, Ryleigh. I'll hold your hand. Ryleigh, what happened?
Because it has fallen into the water.
Do you have a leg injury?
Yeah. Would you like to come with me to the hospital today? Because I hurt my leg?
Let's go to the hospital now.